I'm talking about centuries ago. The type of music that we used to play at the Andes, the Inca culture, the Aymara culture, the Quechua culture, it was just native drums and windpipes. When I'm saying native drums, I'm talking about this, that the name is bombo. Can you say that?
Bombo.
Once again. Bombo. Bombo. Very good. And
Bombo.
and the reason why we call bombo is very simple. Pretty much, right? Makes sense. So, and it's made, ¿cómo se llama esto?
Gold skin.
Gold skin. It's made of gold skin, sorry. So, and this individual drum, I mean, is really very important in our music because it gives us the rhythm, but most of that is the sound that is gives. And at the beginning, it was just these native drums combining with those windpipes. If you can see the smaller one that my friend is holding here, we call malta. Can you say that? Once again.
Malta.
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 Or zampoña.
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 The material that is made of is from bamboo.
Yeah.
And has, of course, different sounds. And the other one that my friend is holding, a little bigger, the name is sanca. Can you
Sanca.
say that?
Sanca.
Very good. And guess what? What material is made of?
Bamboo.
Bamboo. Very good. And now we're gonna come to the flutes, like this one. Of course, it's a flute, but the name is.
Quena.
Who said that? Ken.
Quena.
Good. Well, then, a round of applause to that lady, please. The quena, and also we have the other one that is a little bigger. You see? Does anybody know the name by any chance?
Quena grande.
Quena grande. That's pretty close. The name is quenacho.
Quenacho.
Can you say that?
Quenacho.
So at the beginning, our music was just playing the bombo and using the wind instruments, zampoña, sanca.
I love that one. Oh, that's beautiful.
And of course, we were so happy with our music, with our rhythms, with our traditions. But the Spanish people arrived to Latin America. They colonize us. They bring so many good things, so no bad things. But I'm not gonna focus on the bad things. We're gonna focus on the good things. So they brought this beautiful instrument, which is the Spanish guitar. So we were with that sound. It was like, oh, what's that? We couldn't believe it. Oh my God. Jeez, but one thing, of course, that instrument was so peculiar and so magnificent that for us was something that we never saw. But one thing that my ancestors, our people, they were very, very smart, very handy. So they said, wow, they brought the Spanish guitar, okay? But they built their own guitar. It was small, and they came up with the idea of this. So, does anybody know the name of this instrument? Charango. Can you say it? Charango. And you can see the back of the charango. You see the back? It looks like a shell, right? So it's the original ones we used to make from the armadillo. But of course, we stopped doing that for armadillos. Of course, we gotta save the planet, right? Of course. And they came with the charango. So, and then, that's what we call Andino music, music from the Andes. We compose all of this. So, and this is the music that you are listening right now, and hopefully you are enjoying, right?
Yes.
So, now we're gonna change the rhythm again, and we're gonna introduce and we're gonna show you another traditional dance from Peru. This comes from the north part, for the north of Peru, and the name is Marinera. You're gonna see the difference because this dance is more